Very good morning, Tushar sir. Thank you for joining. Prashant, you will need to switch on your camera. Thank you so much. Just give me one moment, please.
Sure.
Okay. Prashant, Tushar sir is one of our senior panelists, so I wish you all the best. He is well informed about the opening, and so are you. And I hope I wish you all the best. Tushar sir, please take this forward, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Thank you. So, okay. Okay, Prashant, let's get started with your brief introduction. Okay.
Sure, sir.
Which location you are currently working from?
I'm based out of Pune location. Current.
And I see your current company is in Mumbai. Your location
No,
Mumbai,
no.
right?
My current in Pune. So Mumbai one is previous one.
Okay. So, this requirement is mainly for Ahmedabad location. You are okay to relocate to Ahmedabad?
Yes, it's absolutely fine. As currently in Pune, I'm living as a bachelor. Okay, so my hometown is 300 kilometers away from Pune.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, anyways, that is okay because that is an important factor for us to decide, right? So, wanted to upfront check on this, right? Okay, good. Let's get started.
Sure.
Just take me through your profile.
Sure. My name is Prashant Kose. Basically, I belong from Usmanabad district in Maharashtra. My family consists of my mother, and she is living at my native place. I hold a bachelor degree in mechanical engineering, and I'm 2018 graduate. Professionally, I do have 7.4 years of experience. In that, 4.5 years as an SAP SD Consultant, and before that 3 years I work in to automotive industry as a SAP end user and handling the order management part. Currently, I'm working with Hitachi Digital Services from past 2.2 years, and in my SAP career, I got an opportunity to work on SAP implementation project, SAP supports, SAP rollouts, SAP upgrades, and SAP major enhancements as well. So here in Hitachi, currently I'm working on SAP S4HANA support project from past more than 5 months. And in that, I'm handling the incident, providing the resolution within agreed SLA. Also, I'm working on the change requests that include business requirement document, preparation of FS, FUT, UAT, and supporting the user whenever required during the UAT phase. And before that, I was a part of SAP technical upgrade from SAP 1809 to SAP 2023 version. Yes.
Okay, so you said that you have part of implementation upgrade. So I think let's talk about each of these components. So which one was your implementation and what was the process that you implemented in the implementation?
So So when I was a part of the Tata Communications, in that I got the opportunity to work on the implementation project. Okay, so it was a US-based FMCG, okay, manufacturer of filter media, battery separators, and all the mechanical components. And so in that, I was a part from the prepare phase. Okay, it was we implemented their solution with the activate methodology. Okay, so I configured SAP standard processes like order, sales order, documents type, item category determinations, and credit management. After that, billing types, delivery types. Also, I was involved in the FUT testing, test script preparations, and supporting the train user during the UAT phase. And also, I was part of the cutover activity as well and the hypercare as well.
You were the only person who was leading this implementation. There was a lead, and then you were kind of supporting.
Yes, there was a lead. That time I was like consultant.
No, I understand. That is absolutely fine.
we have 4 members of team from the SD module for that particular project.
Okay.
Yeah.
Mhm. Okay. So I think help me with few of these processes you have written that you have done. How to see, understand, order to cash cycle. What is this back order processing? And what is the process? And what is the scenario?
Okay.
And what did you do for the implementation?
Okay. So here SAP S4HANA introduced advanced ATP. Okay. And that there are 4 main elements that has been introduced in the AATP. That the first one is the product availability check. The second one is the product allocation. The third one is the BOP, that is back order processing, and the fourth one is the ABC, alternative best confirmations. So in that there is one main part that we call as a BOP. Okay. So in BOP, what happened? So the sales order stock will get redistributed based on the customer priorities. Okay. So we do have mainly 5 strategies that are being used in the BOP. The first one is win, gain, redistribute, lose, and feel. That mainly 5 strategies are used. Okay, based on that strategies, the stock available in the current order will get redistributed. Okay, so there are customer priorities has been defined in that BOP. Okay, so there are 4 main parameters are considered of the customers. The payment conditions, first one, their credit exposures, their return process management, customer relations. So based on that 4 parameters, we provide the priority of stock confirmation to the customers, and we can achieve that using the BOP, back order processing.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you have also think that you have done credit management implementation. So credit management, how does it work in SAP? And what was the scenario in the implementation project?
Okay, so like so we were implemented FSCM, financial credit management. Okay, so so first upon, like, there are I did the basic configuration, creation of credit control area, creation of credit control segments.
Before that, when I see credit management, right, the functionality is basically for a particular, say, customer, right, how your overall credit management process will work, right? So for controlling that, that is what I understand, right?
Yes.
For controlling that, there are certain configurations needed in the system, which is fine. But before that, as a process, what are the parameters that system SAP allows to configure, right? And what was your business requirement from credit management perspective? Or is it that whatever is there in the standard system, the functionality parameters, those were agreed and discussed and implemented?
Yes.
So, what was the process exactly?
Okay, based on the customer relationship or the customer sales, okay, we provide the customer to the credit exposure. Okay, that credit exposure has been assigned into the business partner using UKM 000 role. Okay, so in that we assign the risk categories, all the exposure details, and the horizon zone, like what kind of documents should be involved in the credit exposures. Okay, sales order documents, delivery documents, that 2 documents, and the pending billing invoices. That 4 parameters are involved in the exposures. So that standard process we considered while providing the solutions to the for the FSCM.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So have you worked on export process?
Not really, but like I have like when I was a part of endurance technology as a supply chain engineer, okay. So at that time, I was handling the part of like the BOP procurements, okay. So during that, like I know what terms are involved in that, what are the Incoterms, how we procure the goods, the checks, packing list, all the details I know. But like in SAP, I need to check on that. But I know the overall business scenario of import and export, custom checks. CHAs, custom house agents, what their activities, what are the freight forwarders, what they do exactly, how to book the vessels. At that activity from the operation point of view, I know, but I never got an opportunity to work in the SAP.
That's fine. Okay. And you are talking about integration with MM module, right? So, integration with MM module, what are the touch points that you have mainly worked on? Or maybe FI?
So during...
For example, you have written, collaborated with FI to streamline account determination in shipping process.
Yes.
So, how does account determination works in sales module with pricing, and can you explain me?
Sure. So whenever the sales invoice has been created, okay, the posting has been done at the billing level, okay, that is for the taxes, sales deductions, basic prices, and that has been posted in the particular GL account, okay, and that everything is happen in the account determination process, okay. So when the invoice is punched, accounting entry will be generated, and the customer account will be debited and the revenue account will be generated. That the integrations we do with the SDFI.
Okay. Yeah. So did you do this VKOA configuration, or it was done by the FI consultant?
No, it's falls under VKOA falls under the SD scope. We did that, and the GL account part, and that.
What is the structure? So VKOA configuration is basically your account determination, as you said, your accounting entries will be hit during billing.
Yeah.
Now, what are the parameters from pricing procedure you will have to link it to this, right? To decide the account, which account will hit where, right? So how this works structurally, for example, if for a particular process is domestic, right?
Okay.
One account has to be paid. There is the other process which you say, for example, third party or any other scenario. How you differentiate? What are the parameters to differentiate the accounting?
Okay, so the first one is the sales area. And the second one is the customer document procedure. And the second parameter is the material document procedure from the material master. Okay. Third one is the GL account. And the fourth one is chart of account. And there are two condition type. Those are mainly also used, KOFI and KOFI and Y. These two condition type are also involved in that combination VKOA. Based on that key combinations, the account determination will be done.
Okay, Prashant. This Hitachi Digital, you are from 11, I think November 23, right?
Yes, correct.
What is the key reason for changing?
So, I'm looking for the better opportunity to upskill myself. Okay, so my aim is to become an SAP solution architect. So I see myself in next 5 years as a SAP solution architect. Okay, for that, like I'm upskilling myself. I'm ready to work on the different opportunity to gain the knowledge, best knowledge of the SAP practices. So for that, like I'm looking for the job change. So for that, I'm like learning the different overall modules like TM as well. I have a stronghold on MM modules. So I do have like core skill in the SD as well. So I have knowledge of CS module as well, customer support, and I know the basics of technical skill, that is debugging. I am able to provide the technical logic to the ABAP as well. Okay. So based on that, like overall knowledge, I wanted to keep my learning curve up. So that's why I'm looking for the change to get the better opportunity.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so I think so what you're saying that Hitachi is basically you are focusing only on certain areas of SD and you are looking for wider kind of role. Right?
Yes.
Right. Okay. Again, and what is the notice period of Hitachi?
So it's officially 3 months, but I'm currently serving notice period, and my last working day is 25th of March.
25th of March.
Yeah.
Okay, so you already have offer. The offer, if I may ask you, you have this offer from which location?
It's for the Pan India location.
For Pan India location.
Yeah.
But there will be some location that you will be asked to report, right?
Yeah, like it's so I have given the preferred as a Pune, okay, but they have so they are open to work from any office.
Achha, okay. Okay. Okay, I think 25th March is the last day, so you can join us after 25th March.
Yes. I try to negotiate, but like I didn't talk it with my reporting manager, okay. So in order to negotiate, so I need to discuss with my manager, because I do have the dependencies. Recently I got onboarded on new project, so.
Absolutely, I think nowadays companies are not releasing people with prior time. Okay, good. I think nice talking to you, Prashant. If you have any other query, you can ask me.
No, I'm good. Thank you, sir.
Okay, great, Prashant. My team will get back to you.
Yeah. Thank you, Prashant. Thank you so much for attending the call with Tushar sir. Thank you to Tushar sir also. I would request you to kindly log off. I will come back to you. Okay?
Sure, I'm dropping off. Thank you. Good day.
Thank you. Thank you, buddy. Bye.
Bye.